Learn about the house. As you all know, a house is a place where we live. When you visit your friends, relatives, or neighbors, do you find that they have the same type of houses as you have? No. People live in different houses. Houses can be of different shapes, sizes, and can also be made up of different materials. So, what are the materials used for building houses? Normally, houses are built using bricks, stone, cement, and steel. The windows and doors are generally made of wood. This type of house is very strong and is called a pakka house. Some houses are made up of mud, hay, bamboo, twigs, and leaves. This type of house is called hut or a kacha house. A kacha house can be made fast, but it is not very strong. As the pakka house is strong, it can have many floors. Big cities have big buildings called apartments. There are many flats or houses in a single big building where many families can stay. Likewise, can a kacha house have many floors? No, because it is made up of straw, mud, bamboo, etc. It cannot take the loads of upper floors. A kacha house is normally small in size and single floored. Now we will see the various types of houses. What kind of houses are there in the plains, that is low-lying flat areas? It can be of many types. If we see the roof, it can be flat. It can also be slanting or sloping and is called sloping roof. But do you know, houses are made according to the climatic conditions of a particular place. Can we have house with flat roofs in the places of heavy snowfall? No. The snow gets collected on the rooftop. It will be very difficult to remove the snow. Hence, the houses have sloping or slanting roof so that the snow can slide off easily. What kind of houses should be there where it rains a lot? Firstly, we cannot have flat roofs as the rainwater will collect and damage the house. So they should have sloping roofs. Secondly, if the house is on the ground, the water will enter the house and all the rooms will get filled with water. So, what can be done? How about raising the house? Now the water won't be able to enter the house. These houses are called houses on stilts. Hence, in the areas where it rains a lot, the houses are built on stilts and have sloping roofs. The various pakka houses, apartments, bungalows, and even kacha houses cannot be moved from one place to another and are called permanent houses. Some people keep moving from one place to another, either due to scarcity of food and water, or due to extreme climate, or due to work. Is it possible to carry their houses along with them? If they live in permanent houses, it won't be possible. So, they make temporary houses that can be moved from one place to another. In villages, generally people use bullock cart to make their temporary house, while others use bus or van and turn it into their moving house. These are called caravan. Do you know? One more type of temporary or moving house is there. Instead of road, it moves in water. Yes, I'm talking about a houseboat. As the name shows, a houseboat is a house built on a boat. In India, houseboats are generally found in Kashmir and Kerala. These have all the facilities which can be found in any house.